Hello, people of Earth, and welcome to... Oh, Jesus, what the fuck? Got some lyrics. What the hell?
Yeah, the song, there's music now with actual words. Ooh.
That's Keith. That's Keith.
Middlesbrough, just, yeah, I have no idea which one that is.
Well, I've just got a message off. I've got a chat message. I couldn't read what it said. They should like backdate the hi. I can't see what the last message said, which is annoying. But hi guys, welcome back to Rocket League. You just saw me playing Limbo, and now we're playing Rocket League. Whilst no, this is not Destiny. This is not Destiny because Destiny is still at this moment installing. It's installing. So we're playing the new update of Rocket League. What is it? We don't know. Our first DLC pack, Supersonic Fury, coming soon. Pick up on August 13th for exclusive access to 2 new battle cars, 2 new rocket boosts, 2 new wheel sets, and 5 new paints. We've also released our first free map, Utopia Coliseum, a long-awaited spectator mode for viewing other players. Additional items including a host of new country flags and a few sorry items. What? For our overloaded launch servers are in there too.
I think we get 3 more trophies from this. Which is score an area goal in a 4v4 game and play a game of...
Right. Well, let's do some of them then.
Create a party, Rob.
Oh yeah.
Create a party.
I forgot about that bit. We can have a top hat. I'm gonna have the fucking top hat. Oh no, I'll stick with that one like that. Okay. This is making sounds. It made sounds before, but only when it wanted to. Because when we were playing, when Charlotte had to go playing, the speaker was doing something. No, it just chooses when to. Do you see the screen, guys, or is it gone off? What I'm gonna do actually, I might go and get. I want to go get my laptop in a sec, so I can actually view the live stream and not have to worry about checking the chat. So, guys of the live stream, this is Keith talking about his life story.
When I was a child, things happened. Oh, I hate when you lose little people like gab on about shite. Oh, that's true, you do have them. Oh, well, if you want to build a snowman, just do things and juggle. How long's he gonna be? I'm gonna kill him with knives and like anything else. You should play Peggle. Peggle's great. Peggle's awesome. I recommend playing Peggle, especially if you get pissed off with the game like, easily. Did you invite me to a party?
I'm back.
Did you invite us to your party thing?
I did, yeah. I did. Did we check your messages?
Yes.
Oh.
And I clicked join, and it didn't let me join. Because
Okay.
forgetting it.
Yeah. I'm just refreshing my live stream so I can see what people have been saying. Or rather, Charlotte has been saying.
Oh, wait.
Where'd you go?
I found it.
Switching off my Wi-Fi and switching back on again.
No, it's not letting me do it. That is weird.
Can you go into the party on our party and join game by that way? Or is that just no? I'll just send you an invite again. Done it.
Right. PlayStation button.
Right. Okay. If you're chatting now, I can see it.
Join. No, it's not having it.
Really?
I'm going to jump out of Rocket League and jump back in.
Okay. Right. Okay. I'm gonna hear myself then. Not good. Boom. I
think I have joined.
Have you?
I have no idea, I can't see anything yet. I'm in the title sequence.
Alright.
Oh, I'm joining!
There you are. You have.
Oh, I can see you. And you're currently.
Oh, there you are, yeah. You're on the next to me with your halo.
Halo, 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 everybody halo.
That's
Halo.
create a private match, find a match. Let's do that. Nah. Should we do it 2? We'll do it 2. We'll either do a 2-player one or a 3-player one. It keeps the options open, you know what I mean?
We could do 4-player and then get an achievement if we win.
Oh shit. We'll do that next time.
Oh fuck. What could I do?
We are playing... Hang on, are you in my team or not?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Ah, I'm on blue. Does that help?
Yeah.
Are you on blue?
Where the fuck's the ball? Oh, there. Shit. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm behind you.
Oh, there you are. Oh, the controller makes sounds for camera changing now. I'm gonna be doing that all game.
Oh, yeah. Well, it didn't do that last time. Oh, David! Oh! Oh, yeah.
That's all we're gonna be doing. Save! I even made sounds when I saved the ball, which took me a while to realise.
Oh, yeah, it's doing stuff. It's doing stuff.
It's not a boring game anymore, it makes sounds.
Oh, fuck. No. No. No.
Go up. Ah.
Let's get some... No, Robber! Fuck you, Robber. Right. Okay. Oh, cheeky. Where the fuck's the ball there? Shit. Didn't do that right at all. Where's the ball? What? Rodri Big New?
I'm gonna share this.
You could live stream too, and you could have 2 angles.
Yeah, a really shitty angle and a recent angle. Hello.
No, it's mine's out of sync as well. I think all live streams are out of sync. So maybe if we like, oh, there's a rainbow in the sky. I just realised.
Whoa.
Hang on, are you? Hang on, are you sharing now?
Yes.
Is that, what, you just stood there. The match continues.
Oh, sorry.
And we're losing.
This means we can make our triumphant comeback now. Like snowmen.
What? Snowmen?
Rob, do you want to build a snowman?
No.
My screen is so small.
Oh, fuck you.
My screen is so much smaller than it was before.
That makes a sound when you're out of boost as well.
This is going to be really fun if I can get out the goal.
Oh, fuck you!
Oh, Rob! Oh
What?
no! I think I just
No, it's fine.
away.
Oh,
I hit the crossbar. There was no way that was fine. I hit the crossbar.
no. Oh.
It does too. It sounds like a gun.
Oh. That was nice. No.
Oh, I fucking missed the ball.
No, the ball's gone.
It's going towards
No.
him.
Save it, Keith. Oh.
I hit him into the ball and it hit the crossbar.
We have another AFK person, apparently. Hello. No.
I tried to ride him. Why did I do?
Oh shit. Where's that gone? It's over there. No!
We are losing.
It's not good! This is not good. Fucking Rob and TNT on you.
I lolled.
Did you? Alright.
I'm going go.
You're gonna go what?
You make a goal. You make a fantastic defender.
Thank you.
Oh, we scored! We scored!
Did he? Yeah, that's good. The Squirrel Man! Alright. Let's back it into someone.
Oh!
Fuck off! I was gonna bash him out of the way. No! No!
Oh no! I almost had that.
I was just trying to get a word then. That's ridiculous. Okay. I'm gonna go and defend. No! Whose side is it on? Ours.
I fucked off already.
No.
Thanks, Rob.
Alright. No!
We are losing so badly. Seriously.
What is this? What is it? Charlotte's got headphones on. Is she watching? Are you watching still, Charlotte? Or are you fucked off? She's got headphones on. She might just listen to music or something. Yeah. Charlotte, you still watching? I'm listening to you. Oh, you're listening to me. She's listening. She's listening to soothing sound of my voice.
There's nothing soothing about it. No.
Fuck off!
Oh, fuck it, no. I can't get...
Oh my god, the lag. I'm on a bit of lag.
Oh!
Oh no, I'm not. I'm just climbing a wall. What the fuck? Someone exploded?